though this has not created a new history
of representation of women as a Barbie doll by their representation in cinema. As most of this film, it has been always be a beloved. Depiction of is in it. Another striking feature of object Monica, oh my darling, and at present time. But just one.
Yes, sure.
For example, great actress and
for the gross purpose of commercialization, which is also important. People have to make money. Ignore the other aspect of women being human, women also being sexual beings, and sort of being able to express their sexuality, in the right manner.
সংবাদ, ফিচার ও অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য ভিজিট করুন সংবাদ প্রকাশের ওয়েবসাইট এবং যুক্ত থাকুন ফেসবুক পেজ ও ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের সঙ্গে।